Hi everyone! Today we're learning 26 simple morning routine sentences in English. Listen first, then repeat after me. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's start. I wake up. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I drink water. I make breakfast. I toast my bread. I pour my coffee. I eat breakfast. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I look at the weather. I put on my jacket. I take the stairs. I leave the house. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I sit in my seat. I go to school. I start my day. Great job! You learned 26 morning routine English sentences today. Practice these sentences every morning to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and fluency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and repeat this lesson again tomorrow. See you in the next video!